Today, we're exploring the mysterious and terrifying world of the brain-eating amoeba, scientifically known as Naegleria fowleri. Let's dive into its life cycle and understand how this microscopic organism can be so deadly. Naegleria fowleri is a free-living amoeba typically found in warm freshwater environments like lakes, rivers, and hot springs. It has 3 stages in its life cycle: the cyst, trophozoite, and flagellate stages. The first stage is the cyst stage, when environmental conditions become unfavorable, such as when the water temperature drops or the food supply decreases. Naegleria fowleri forms a cyst. This cyst is a round, dormant structure that allows the amoeba to survive harsh conditions. In this form, it can remain viable for months until conditions improve. The second stage is the trophozoite stage. When conditions are favorable, the cyst transforms into a trophozoite, which is the feeding and reproductive form of the amoeba. Trophozoites are the active, feeding stage, and they thrive in warm water temperatures between 77 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, 25 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius. They consume bacteria and organic matter in the environment, and they reproduce by binary fission, where one trophozoite splits into 2. This is also the stage where Naegleria fowleri becomes dangerous to humans. If water-containing trophozoites enters the human nose, typically while swimming or diving in contaminated water, the amoeba can travel up the olfactory nerve to the brain. Once in the brain, the trophozoites destroy brain tissue by feeding on it, causing a rare, and often fatal condition known as primary amoebic meningoencephalitis (PAM). Symptoms of PAM include headache, fever, nausea, vomiting, stiff neck, and altered mental status. Unfortunately, the infection progresses rapidly, and the fatality rate is over 97%. The third stage is the flagellate stage. When trophozoites are in an environment with a low food supply, they can transform into a flagellate form. This stage is characterized by the presence of 2 whip-like structures called flagella, which allow the amoeba to swim freely in the water. If conditions improve, the flagellate form can revert back to the trophozoite stage. So to recap, the life cycle of Naegleria fowleri includes the cyst stage for survival, the trophozoite stage for feeding and reproduction, and the flagellate stage for movement. Understanding these stages is crucial for scientists working to prevent and treat infections caused by this deadly amoeba. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more deep dives into fascinating topics. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below.